Ndewo kekeme. Hambi Joma Kubwe, onye wetara gị nkụ Igbo. Okay. So ihe anyị ga-ekwu maka ya taa, the Igbo word of the week today is akwa. Okay. I'm doing it because it has a lot of meanings. Okay. The same word can mean at least 5 things. Okay. So this is, I'll show you. So I'm talking about the thing inside. So this is an egg box. Akwa, can you hear? So akwa means egg. That's one of the meanings, okay? Akwa, okay? So pay attention to the way I say it because that's what will differentiate them. Akwa is egg. Akwa, okay? While that one is aqua. Aqua, so clothing, even sort of the one I'm wearing in general. Aqua, okay, aqua. And then this one, aqua, aqua, cry, okay. I hope you're noticing the difference. Aqua, cry, okay. And the one that I haven't brought to show you, aqua, bed, okay. So where you go to sleep, the bed that you sleep on is called aqua. So same spelling, but different sounds, okay. Aqua, different pronunciation, I mean. Aqua, okay. And you also find the bridge, you know, the bridge that crosses the rivers, also called aqua, okay. So quick recap. Aqua, so I mean egg, I don't mean the box. Egg. Aqua. Okay, so if I were to say biko nyem aqua, okay, I'll get that. Dalo. Aqua. And biko nyem aqua. Aqua. Biko nyem aqua. Aqua. Okay, or on the aqua means he's crying or she's crying. Aqua. On the aqua. Aqua. Okay. And aqua, where we sleep, bed. So the bed, you know. Aqua. Okay. All right. And the fifth one, a bridge, is also called the same thing. Okay. Ngwan dalu. Chatakwa na nwere free Igbo conversation training that's going on, and do not miss it. Okay, the link will be below this video for you to join that free training, which shows you how to start a conversation in Igbo. It shows you things to say. It gives you the replies that people might then say to what you have said, and what to do when you don't understand it. Okay. So click the link below the video to register for that training. It's free. Oh, one coordinate people. Oh,